Okay, what's going on, everyone? Give me a sec here while I set this camera up here. I'm gonna just break down gold, my idea, and what I believe will happen moving forward. Just give me a sec here. Okay, these cameras are interesting. See if I can switch this camera here. How do I choose my camera? That is the question. Oh, hair looking crazy. Can't have hair looking crazy. There we go, guys. All right, let's get serious now. I don't know how we can change this camera to my actual camera. Let's see. Not sure. Whatever. This works. Okay. So we'll take a look at gold on the weekly time frame here. All right, we are on a clear direction. Okay. Oops. Okay, we have a clear direction upwards. All right, it's kind of obvious. We got new highs, stable market here. Okay, and we got another push higher, and then we kind of pushed lower here, right, hitting the 2560 area, and we moved back up with a strong candle here, pulled back down, and then you can see we have some type of support or higher low point here. So I scaled all the way down to the daily. All right, we may be in some type of consolidation. So this is a consolidation play. We got this previous high, right? And then this low form. So we may stay in this range. Okay. And then you can also see that it may be creating a new range, which is here. Okay. So kind of ping ponging here. So I am playing this range, paying attention to that. I would like to see if gold would like to take these new highs out or take these lows out. But that's only after it's able to break the 2717 area or break lower here at the 2560 to continue lower. Okay, I don't believe we will. I think we'll see higher prices on gold. However, let me break down further. Okay, so we are playing a range play here. We got to keep that in mind. Okay, and then if you scroll down to H4, we can see we had this previous lower high here that gave us this massive impulse move. That was taken out right here. All right, got this nice bullish candle. So, baby girl, talking to my little cat here. She came to say hi. Came to say hi. Say what's up to everybody. Okay. Came up, broke this high, came back down, giving us another higher low point. Okay, and then we got this nice big push. All right, but what I really want you to pay attention to here is if I go to my daily, okay, you can see this big push up. All right, and when you scale down to H4, we had this previous high point here at the 2660 area. Okay, we did get a push here. All right, but I want to pay attention to this area here. Okay, we got the push here, but when you scale down to the H1 time frame, you can see we got a close above, and then we got a close right back below. Okay, whereas in this area, we have a close above, and then another close above, and we stayed there. Now I'm going to scale down further to the M15 time frame. You can see the same thing here. A big push, came back down, closed below, decent push, lower high here on a lower time frame. If I was to scale to M5, lower high here, and then close back below. This time here, we have a push, came down, then another push here. And if I scale down to M5, you can see this wick here. We retested this area here, right? So we got this higher low here, a push, came down, another higher low point, wicking right off of this H4 time frame. That is the reason why I've entered. I actually entered my first position down here, but at the time of recording, I'm putting it here, placing my stops right below this higher low point here on H1, which is at 2645. And then I'm expecting higher prices, right? A 1 to 1.5. Let's bring this up just a little bit. Okay, risking $1 to make 1.5. Obviously, the range is much higher, but I'm not going to get greedy. Okay, so I'm just going to wait for them to take this liquidity here, because most likely people are still in shorts holding these positions. But that is my outlook on gold. Again, volume looks good. You can see it's rising. Okay, got a nice rise on this push. So there is volume here. I'd like to see how this H4 closes in the next 2 hours. However, I'm in the position now, and we will circle back to see how this trade played out. See you guys next time.